Hello my rising generation. So in my last video I gave you some introduction about mensuration, ठीक है ना. So मुझे लगता है कि I can start with the class 8 portion. Class 8 का Class 8 का mensuration exercise 9.1. So the question here is the shape of the top surface. So this is your trapezium. ये रहा तुम्हारा top surface. This is 0.8 meter, 1.2 meter, and this is 1 meter. And so table is a trapezium. Find its area if it's parallel sides. So this and this are your parallel sides and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. ठीक है? So let us solve area of trapezium. क्या था formula? Half into h a plus b. This one, this side is denoted a और ये वाला b. ठीक है? And the height, this is h, 0.8, 1.2 plus 1. Let me remove the point, make your calculation easy. Decimal के बाद एक digit है, लिखो 8. So since we have one digit, so we will divide it by 10. अगर 2 digits होता, तो we would divide it by 100. ये होगा 2.2. 1 by 2 into 8 by 10 into 22 divided by 10. क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद एक डिजिट है. So 2 ones are 2, 11. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 22 by 25. So when you divide, you'll get the answer as 0.88. Since the question was in point, so you'll try to give your answer also in point. अब याद रखना ये area है. We are required to find the area. So question was in meter. Hence we have to put a square. Or you can write it as 0.88 square meter. ठीक है? Okay. Let's go to the next sum. This was number 1. Chalo. So in the next question, what do we have? The area of a trapezium is this much. So the area is given to you. Area is area of trap is given 34 centimeter square, and the length of one of the parallel, मान लो A, is equal to 10 centimeter and height h is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. तो फॉर्मूला लिखो पहले, जो जो जानकारी है वो पहले फॉर्मूला लिख देना है. Area of trapezium is equal to half into h a plus b. ठीक है? एरिया का पता है हमें, तो जो एरिया दिया गया है ठीक ठाक उसके नीचे लिखना है 34. Whatever we know, just put down the information. 4 ए का पता है, 10 बी का पता नहीं. Just keep it as b. The 2 here, this side, when it goes to the other side of the equal sign, it gets multiplied. और ये जो ऊपर में है, न्यूमरेटर में है 4, when it comes to the other side, it gets divided. 1 into anything, is that anything? 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 7. 17 minus 10. Plus 10 will come other side and become minus 10. 17 minus 10 is 7. Hence, the other parallel side is equal to 7 क्या था, सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, चलो देख लो। ओके, नंबर 3, नंबर 3 का क्वेश्चन क्या है, लेंथ ऑफ द फेंस समझना है, ध्यान से देखना। लेंथ ऑफ द फेंस ऑफ अ ट्रेपेजियम फील्ड। सो ये रहा तुम्हारा फिगर विच इज गिवन टू यू, A, B, C, D, and this one is 90 degree. That means AB is perpendicular. Length of the fence, fence मतलब ये boundary, ये पूरा बाउंड्री, BC, CD, DA, AB सब जोड़कर क्या होता है, 120। लेंथ ऑफ फेंस is equal to 120 meter. If BC is 48 meter, CD is 17 meter, AB is 40 meter. इसका पता नहीं, वो ढूंढ लेंगे। लेंथ ऑफ फेंस का मतलब क्या होता है, पेरीमीटर, एडिंग अप ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स। पेरीमीटर में क्या है, AB प्लस BC प्लस CD प्लस AD। पेरीमीटर का पता है हमें, दैट इज 120 गिवन टू अस। AB का पता नहीं, BC 48, CD 17, AD 40। कितना होता है, 105। AB add up everything, you get 105. 120 minus 105 is equal to AB. कितना आता है, 15. AB is 15. AB होता है हाइट बिटवीन द पैरेलल लाइन। दिस लाइन and this line are parallel to each other and the distance between them is the height. So we already got it. This is not your height, this is slanting line, so it cannot be measured as your height. Height होगा जो सीधा रहेगा, so this is सीधा, so this will be your height. So now area of trapezium is equal to half into height A plus B. A मतलब this side, B मतलब this side. हाइट कितना मिला, 15, A 48 प्लस 40, 11, 15 into 11, 88, 2, sorry, 2, 4, 44 into 15 gives you how much, 660, 660 meter square. भूलना नहीं, because this is area. Okay, तो चलो, after this sum we have sums on quadrilateral, so I'll come up with those videos in my next class. Until then, bye bye.